Silver against US dollar this week has started to rise in value. We can see the price has risen, formed this bullish break at about 29.62, trying to make further rise in value, but on the Friday the price has invalidated this bullish breakout as valid, and it has formed this bearish breakout going below. Now the weekly time frame shows me that we are inside indecision range area because we have indecision candle where the price has formed a wick on the upper side, wick on the lower side, and the price currently here is in the open space between this resistance and this support level. Monthly time frame shows me that this will be probably a bearish candle formed here because we have 2 more days next week until this month close, so I'm expecting that the price will stay below this 30.59. Now the weekly shows me also a continuation of this bearish momentum, so the daily time frame also shows me a bearish candle, which means high probability of the price going further down in value. So I'm expecting next week that the price will continue to fall down in value, reaching the next support level, and we'll see on the 4-hour time frame that we are currently at the support level at 29.31, where the next support will be 29.012. If the price forms a bearish break below that, we can see that 28.62 is the next target, which is also a weekly and also the monthly support level. So now I am expecting that the price will continue to lose its value for the silver next week, but we will see how the price behaves because we have holiday next week and there will be less volatility than usual. So this is for now. If there is any kind of a bullish or bearish breakout indicating the direction where the price could go around this area of support and the resistance levels on the 4-hour time frame and especially 1-hour time frame, this will be shared with the traders inside the premium analysis. Feel free to check, the link will be below in the description, so let's see you inside. That's all for this week, see you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.